Friends, myself Jagdish Kara, lecturer in zoology, KBDAB College, Nirakarpur. Today I am going to discuss about typhoid or enteric fever. Typhoid is a bacterial infection. It is caused by a bacterium known as Salmonella typhi. Globally, around 21.5 million people suffer from typhoid every year. It can be fatal or can cause death if it is not treated. It is not transmitted by animals. Transmission is always human to human through contaminated food and water. Transmission takes place by the ingestion of food and water contaminated with feces of infected person. Transmission also takes place by direct contact with the feces of an infected person. Poor hygienic habits and poor public sanitation are the causes of typhoid. The flying insects feeding on feces can transmit typhoid. The asymptomatic carriers tend to transmit typhoid. The asymptomatic carriers do not produce any symptoms in themselves, but they transmit the bacterium to others. Let us go to the habitat of the bacterium. That means where the bacterium lives in the human body. The bacterium lives inside the intestines, blood streams of human. It enters through the mouth and spends 1 to 3 weeks in the intestine. Later, it makes its way through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream. From the bloodstream, it spreads into other tissue and organs and produce infection. As a result, various symptoms are produced in the patient. Detection of typhoid is very much important. The patient is diagnosed by detecting the presence of Salmonella typhi in blood, stool, urine and bone marrow sample. The popular Widal test is used to detect typhoid. The Widal test is a serological test developed by Georges Ferdinand Widal in 1896. The Widal test detects the presence of specific IgM or IgG antibodies in the serum against Salmonella typhi. Symptoms begins between 6 and 30 days after exposure to the bacterium. The symptoms include high fever and persistent fever for several days. The fever may reach up to 104 degree Fahrenheit or 39 to 40 degree centigrade in temperature. The symptoms also includes rash. These are the rose colored spots on the neck and abdomen, but not seen in every patient. Besides these, other symptoms include gastrointestinal problem, abdominal pain, weakness, loss of appetite, headache, constipation and cough, etc. Let us go to the treatment of typhoid. Antibiotics are used to treat the typhoid patient. The antibiotics are ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin and cetirizine. The prevention of typhoid is very much important. The prevention can be made through avoiding contaminated food and water. Spread of typhoid can be prevented through vaccination. Careful food preparation and washing hands can prevent spreading of typhoid. Avoiding eating at street food stands and eating food that is hot can check the spread of typhoid. Avoiding taking raw fruits and vegetables can check the spread of typhoid. Avoiding washing of fruits and vegetables with contaminated water can also prevent spread of typhoid. People who test positive as carriers may not be allowed to work with children or older people. Typhoid is a bacterial disease. It is transmitted human to human through contaminated food and water. If we maintain proper hygiene and sanitation, spread of typhoid can be checked. Thank you.